Evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. In today's newspaper on a Wednesday, May the 31st, 2023, last day of the month. And I've already solved one regular puzzle. It's the binary puzzle. So two puzzles remain: the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix, and the medium Sudoku. And I've told you earlier in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Yeah, I do not know why, but it's 5 days in a row that the publisher has not published an additional. I think it's the holidays. Yeah. This Monday with Monday and day before with Sunday. So I think the publisher is on holiday. Yeah. And what's the news of today? Well, today it's war day number 462, 460. 2 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, Sudoku medium number 6515. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 29 printed digits. For medium Sudoku, well, in the past, all the medium Sudokus has 26 printed digits. Well, this one has 29. If we compare with the 1 star, correction, 0 stars, 1 stars, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional. This will be a 0 stars. Yeah, for 1 star, we have 27 printed digits, 0 stars, 28, 29. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, I think maybe this one 13 or 14 minutes. All right, so let's get started. All right. Let me see which number can I pick. How about a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, let me see, 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for number: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, can I fill this yet? No. Need to wait. 2 and 3. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then. Well. Let me see which number can I pick. 1, 3, 3. Interesting. 4, 4, 8, 8, 8, 4, 4, 4. Come on. 3, 3. Well, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Well. 99. Yeah. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 5, okay. Then 4. Well, we have a pair here. The 4 and the 3 in the last row, the 4 and the 3 in a row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 4 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 3, 4 and 3. So 2 numbers left in this row for the master. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 99, okay. Yeah. Let me think. Need a 2 here also. 5, the 6, the 8, and the 1. Okay. 1, 5, 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. And look, we have a 5 and 8 in this row. So no 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 1 then. And yeah, I hate to mark the pairs outside a big square. So let me wait for marking those boxes. Alright, so we have a 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So third row, don't need to place left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Okay, 1. 1. Alright, 2, 3, and 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. Let me wait for marking this box. 3, 1, and then 9. Okay. Well. 2, 5. So yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Here, 5 in that last column, so no 5. There's the only place left for the 5. Should be there. So the 2 and the 9 are left. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 this one, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Done. 1. 2, 3. We have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 9. Right, 1, 3, 8. 1, Okay. We have a 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there we see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there we see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between the only place left for the 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. A 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yeah, the 5 is missing. Then 1, 3. Let me see. The 1 in this row. Oh, wait. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. The 3 in this row, the 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 4 and the 3, we have a 3 now in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. A 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this last column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, it's in the flow. Yeah, definitely faster than 50 minutes. 0 stars. Medium Sudoku, well, I think it's a light Sudoku. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Well, this one I think will be more difficult than these 2 puzzles. More difficult than the binary and more difficult than this Sudoku medium. It's the killer Sudoku. So see you in a minute with the last puzzle, regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. Until then, bye bye for now.